Okay. Okay. We last left off, we were walking to this one cabin and freaky stuff about that happening. What the flip? Come back here. A what? Whoa, what the flip? Run, Harry. Scary music is going on, and you do not want to be here when scary music is going on. Because that means enemies are about to attack you, and I don't like enemies that are about to attack you. Wait, where are they? Can't see. Dang, the music is like attacking me. Run, Harry. You don't want me here because... Oh, snap. Retard. Ah! Shut up. Stupid. I don't like smart enemies. I like retarded enemies. Dang, these guys look creepy. Last time I played this, they looked not scary at all. And they had boobs. Weird. Oh no, I'm dying. I'm dying now. It's all because of the advice that that thing gave. It didn't help at all, because now I'm dying. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Plan. I win! I create 5-5 once again. And I can't see one. I can't see a bit. Ha, don't like that, do you? Harry Mason got skills. Spear healed up, just like in Call of Duty. Run, Harry, I bet they're right behind you. BS. Where'd all these mugs come from? Holy crap. Dude, not cool, man. Not cool. Holy crap. I hear them and they're like, yeah, boo, bah, yeah, yeah, we killed you, Harry Mason. Run faster, Harry. I don't know where I'm going. Run, Harry, for crying out loud. See, that's what you get for stuttering. It's got to be around here somewhere. Now I'm freaking confused. Get off me, you mug. I'm out of here. Seriously, not cool. Come on, Harry. Run like a man. Don't limp. Go, 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 because they're right behind you. Book it, man, book it. Oh, great. Get off me, you mug. Aya! I looked very desperate. The door to freedom, freedom, door to freedom, wah! Mug! how about that music? What the oh my god. Come on, oh lordy. Seriously, Harry. If I get attacked one more time, I'm dead. I bet I'm dead. Because Harry sucks. Because I always get lost in this place because it's a freaking labyrinth. I'm stupid. Go this way, Harry. I don't care what you say about it. Go this way. It's like I'm healed up. Okay, I go this way. Go into that cabin. Yeah, that cabin right there. Go into it. I bet it's the right way too. Yeah! I made it! Woo! The victory dance. Okay, there's some puzzle with the little kid, and you have to do that thing, which I know how to do it. Blam! And the door opens. And you get a message that I don't care about. And you have to run some more, but we'll have to save that for next time. So next time we will run like heck some more. Okay, see you then.